The director of the movie along with Amit Nayak. So let's see who speaks first and what they say.
Yeah. Okay, the legalities of whatever has happened, Amit will explain to you. All I can say right now that I'm massively relieved because my producers and I've got a chance to release the film on time, which is the 17th, and we're going to try very hard to make it. But let's see what happens. I've got to work all night tonight.
Okay. What are the cuts? Okay, so let me hold on. Let me speak. Hold on.
Yeah, you can.
Hold on. So our petition has been allowed. We have succeeded. It's a victory of fundamental rights. The only thing that we have conceded to is the deletion of the urinating scene. We have offered that ourselves today. There are 3 disclaimers that we had suggested and the court has accepted the disclaimers. So the order that was passed by the revising committee is set aside and the censor board, that is the certification board, has been directed to forthwith issue the certificate to us as per the directions of the High Court. So it's a vindication of our stand, and more importantly, it's a vindication of democracy and fundamental rights. That's what it is. Yes, we offered, in fact, while the hearing was going on, see, there are 3 disclaimers. A, we do not promote the use of drugs in any form or manner. The expletive words or any bad words are not a reflection of anything else, but to reflect reality, and we do not promote the use of cuss words. Third is we are not propagating or castigating any particular state, and we do not do that. So our disclaimer has been accepted in its entirety with the insertions that we have suggested. Like I said, the respondent has been directed to issue this certificate forthwith, and it's a victory of our fundamental rights. हिंदी में देखिए हमने जो याचिका दाखिल की थी, उसकी सुनवाई होने के बाद हमारी जो याचिका है उसको मंजूर किया गया है. जो एक सीन थी, यूरिनेशन का सीन था, वही हम लोग ने खुद डिलीट करने की मांग की है. तो उसके बेसिस पे हाई कोर्ट ने ये डिसाइड किया कि सर्टिफिकेट फॉरथ्विथ इशू किया जाएगा. और सिवा डिस्क्लेमर्स के जो हमने ऑफर किए थे, वो डिस्क्लेमर्स इन इट्स एंटायरिटी हैव बीन एक्सेप्टेड बाय द कोर्ट. देखिए, हमारी कोशिश तो यही है और 101% फिल्म रिलीज होगी 17 को, यही हमारी ख्वाहिश है. सॉरी, नहीं, देखिए, total 1 minute. Just look, don't misquote it. There were 13 suggestions that were there, of which the 9th suggestion was a urinating scene, which we have offered to delete the shot. So we have offered to delete the shot of urination. Third and fourth, there is no third and fourth cut, so don't even confuse it. Why? 5 and 12. No. There was no. 1 minute. Let me. Yes, I'll take one more. Yeah.
Before the operative part was read out, when he was going through cut by cut, at one point the judge said that 3 and 4 can be justified in the touchstone of the cinematic.
Yes, let me tell you. Now on the words of the cuss words, because of the disclaimer that we have offered, the judge, the Honorable High Court has agreed, subject to that disclaimer. Also in the disclaimer there was a reference to Pakistan which we ought to delete, which we have accepted to delete.
Can you repeat this disclaimers again, please?
See, the disclaimers are the following. A, that we are not propagating the use of drugs.
Okay.
2, we are not putting any state in any particular bad light. 3, we do not promote the use of any cuss words. In short, this is what we have agreed to.
The court said that the censor board should not be over-sensitive.
Right. Look, on that, let me tell you. You can't have a pedantic approach. The court has relied on the judgments of Raj Kapoor and in the other judgments, in fact in Bobby Arts also, and said that a film must be viewed contextually and you must change by time. Therefore, the court has encouraged in a sense and promoted and said freedom of speech stands. And our petition was under Article 19 for freedom of speech and expression. Absolutely.
Yeah, we were fighting for freedom of speech with regards to this film.
One by one.
And today I salute the courage of my producers and the hard work that my lawyers have made, and this film has been passed and we are going to fight for release on the 17th.
As a director, are you happy that what you
I am terribly pleased with the verdict, and I am relieved. Happiness is a feeling. Happiness is a feeling devoid of conflict, and I can't say that about right now.
Are you hopeful that, as the court said, next time this should not really come here, the CPFC could now change its approach?
I sure hope so. That's all I can say about that.
There is going to be a revamp of CBFC. So you think that this judgment will have an impact on this revamp?
I can only hope that films are viewed in context in the future and not in terms of any blanket, view on cinema. It has to be viewed in context. No, I have no message to give to him. Best wishes.
Adverse observations about trustworthy news. The judge said that there were filmmakers will realize on their own that these can't.
See, there is a word of caution to producers and directors as well. There is a word of caution, and we accept that with absolute humility because this is fallen from the judges. And there is a word of caution for new filmmakers in terms of verbiage and the use that can be there. And he's left it upon us in a sense that the industry has to now self-introspect and decide what they want to do and what kind of medium and usage of words that need to be. So that's
On elections, the judge very specifically said that this movie hasn't been made keeping elections in mind.
Well,
because Mr. Kadam had argued,
yes, we had said that it is all. You can't ask us to delete MP. You can't ask us to delete elections. You can't ask us to delete Parliament. Therefore, it was contextually relevant. The film is relevant about what's happening in Punjab, and therefore that stands. Our victory primarily is on the fact that we based it on Punjab and we are not shying away from it, and that's why we went to court.
But lastly,
that's the main victory for us.
Right. Lastly, CBFC was asking for a stay order on this, which court has refused.
Look,
and I've
CBFC,
said that it's a bureaucratic approach. What do you have to say about that?
Mr. Setna rightly applied for his client for stay.
Right.
The court rejected it, saying that, look, a lot of money has already gone, a lot of time has already gone, and therefore he rejected the stay because we vehemently oppose the stay. They are entitled to take this to Supreme Court if they want to. We will defend it tooth and nail.
Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.